Well, let's talk something about the human immune system. I'm talking of the air that we breathe. How, when the earth is being polluted, it affects the immune system. We can see the diagram on the board. And the human immune system supposed to sieve the air in which we breathe. I'm talking of the alveoli, or we can call it the alveoli. What are the functions of the alveoli? This helps to sieve carbon dioxide gas from the oxygen so that we can get good air in our immune system. Without this function of the alveoli, I'm talking of the air from the lungs, then we are not safe. Have you ever think of that we have a medicine that will help protect your alveoli? Have you ever heard of that thing before? When that thing gets spoiled, or when that thing is unable to perform its function, you will die completely on it. Because we have many toxic substances on earth right now, which is evaporated by the sun rays and the radiation generated by the dams, solar panels, and other stuff, electric cars, and other stuff. In which way can we protect this alveoli to help protect the immune system for us to get good oxygen to breathe? We have two types of smoke. Let me categorize them in two types. We have a smoke that its universal solvent is water, and a smoke that its universal solvent is not water. There is two differences. And every smoke that its universal solvent is not water, when it enters the human immune system, it weakens the system. And take note, do not ever think of that the plants in which we plant on earth support us eliminate these toxic substances of smoke that do not come from the universal solvent of that smoke is not water. I'm talking of smoke from crude oil. I'm talking of petrol, diesel, kerosene, and other stuffs. Plants do not take in this kind of carbon dioxide gas. So when we are polluting the air by these toxic substances, and we think we need to multiply the trees so that they can help to sieve these toxic substances in the atmosphere for us, it is a lie. It is never true. Plants do not take in the carbon dioxide gas that cannot be diluted by water. We need a special device that will help us eliminate such kind of problems. I'm talking of these toxic substances in the atmosphere, not plants. Plants perform a function like we human beings. We have plant cells and we have animal cells. We are the same living organisms. So the plant cannot take in this toxic carbon dioxide gas from fuels. It is unable. It cannot be possible. So, in which way can we protect ourselves, our immune system, or protect the plant from the toxic substances? Is by changing all cars to plant. Bringing a particular device that will help eliminate or will sieve these toxic substances in the atmosphere. So we will have the crude oil coming out and we will process it to perform a specific function on earth, and we will have a particular device that will help to take in that carbon dioxide gas and convert it to liquid so that it will not mix the air. I assure you that when the air is being poisoned by smoke from fossil fuel and other stuff, no living organism its exemptions, we will all be affected, both plants, animals, and human beings. We will all be affected. We will all be affected on it. So, in which way can we solve this problem? It is by bringing in the air sieve that will filter the air to produce oxygen and eliminate every toxic substances in the air. So, we need to come out with a particular device that will change all cars into plants to perform the function of plants, not by producing food for us, but rather to give us fresh air, so that we human beings also, we will be safe and our immune system will be safe. Thank you.